Have you invested your hard-earned money into ADR Coin and are now anxious about what the next move will be? Is American dollar reserve about to shatter its all-time high and set a massive new record, or are we staring at a potential market crash? More importantly, could the zero liquidity shown for this coin trap your funds forever? If you are looking for these answers, then this video is absolutely essential for you because today we are uncovering the truth about ADR that most others are overlooking. Friends, the last 24 hours have been a roller coaster of excitement and volatility for ADR Coin. If we look at the data on the screen right now, ADR is trading at approximately $0.24892. The most striking part is that while the broader market seems stagnant, this coin managed a solid pump of 9.89%. Looking at the 24-hour range, it touched a low of 22652 before bouncing back strongly to hit a high of 0.26703. This clearly indicates that buyers are active in the market and are pushing the price higher. However, the real story is hidden within the technical indicators. If we examine the RSI Relative Strength Index, it is currently hovering between 65 and 70, which tells us the market is nearing the overbought zone. Typically, when the RSI climbs this high, a slight correction is often inevitable. Alongside this, the MACD indicator shows a bullish crossover, which is currently supporting the upward price action. In terms of moving averages, ADR has climbed above its 50-day and 200-day averages, which is generally a very positive signal for long-term holders. Now, let's discuss the most critical point, the all-time high, ATH. The highest price ADR has ever reached is 0.26755. Today's candle attempted to test this level but faced a slight rejection at 0.026703. This is an extremely sensitive resistance zone. If ADR manages to close a candle above this level, we could see the next targets at 0.35 and even 0.40. But if it fails here, the price could slide back down to the 2.2 support level. Another factor you must keep in mind is the trading volume. In the last 24 hours, the volume stood at $239,030K. While rising volume is usually a good sign of interest, there is a major red flag. The liquidity section is currently showing 0. This means that if you try to sell a very large amount of ADR at once, you might not find enough buyers, or the price could crash instantly. This is known as slippage in crypto terms, so please consider this risk before making a large investment. Regarding the news, Bitcoin's dominance is growing across the market. Bitcoin recently hit the $74,000 mark, creating a bull run atmosphere that is lifting the entire market sentiment. ADR is currently benefiting from this overall positive wave. Furthermore, global reports of $2 billion in new funding from major firms like A16Z are keeping the altcoin market optimistic. So, what should your strategy be? If you bought at lower levels, my advice is to book some profits or trail your stop loss to 2-3 cents to protect your capital. For those looking for new entries, it is wiser to wait for a clean breakout above the AT267 or wait for a retest of the 22 support area. Disclaimer. Friends, please remember that I am not a financial advisor. The crypto market is highly volatile, and there is always a risk of loss alongside the potential for profit. Low liquidity coins like ADR carry significantly higher risk. Always conduct your own thorough research and only invest money that you can afford to lose. If you found this detailed analysis helpful, please give this video a like. What do you think? Will ADR set a new record today? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. For more crypto updates and technical analysis, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Take care.